Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can zoom and pan on Capcut mobile. So in here, I'm using a picture as as the example. I'm going to set it for around 5 seconds, the picture. So you can just use keyframes to create zoom and pan effects. So you can just click on the clip just like that, like this, add a keyframe. Now I'm going to add a zoom in effect first. So I'm going to just add as keyframe at the start and then move forward slightly and then zoom it in, move again, zoom again. So just repeat the steps just like this. I'm going to zoom in the sunflower, and after that here I'm going to have that pan effect. Just like this. Okay, after that let's have that zoom out effect. So move forward and then zoom out and pan. Just like this. Just repeat the step. Okay, after the keyframes is finished, this will be the result. So if you want to make the zoom and pan slower, you can add some distance into the keyframe. So that's how you can zoom and pan in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.